Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your chocolate and donuts immediately. Chop 200-300 g of compound chocolate so it melts evenly. You avoid tempering because compound uses vegetable fats. Place half the chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl and heat 20-30 seconds. Stir, repeat until smooth, or use a double boiler. Once nearly melted, stir in 1-2 teaspoons vegetable oil to reach dipping viscosity. This gives shine and prevents cracking. Make sure donuts are room temperature. You now focus on consistent coating and quick execution. Hold a donut with a fork or dipping tool and lower it into the melted compound chocolate at a shallow angle. This reduces air bubbles. Rotate 1 to 2 times to coat the surface evenly, then lift and tap the fork gently to shed excess chocolate for about 5 to 10 seconds. Once coated, place the donut on a wire rack. If you want sprinkles or nuts, apply them immediately while the glaze is still wet so they stick. You finish by setting the glaze and handling common issues. Allow donuts to set 15 to 30 minutes at room temperature or speed up with 5 to 10 minutes in the fridge. Avoid condensation by not chilling too long. If the compound thickens while you work, warm it briefly and add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon oil to restore flow. If you see bloom, streaks, or uneven shine, rewarm the chocolate slightly and perform a thin recoat. This corrects appearance without redoing the whole batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.